Welcome to OpenBox Education. In this video, I am going to explain why the Intel Corporation, after releasing of 80486 microprocessor, they named for the next processor as Pentium processor. Do you know that? Why the name Pentium? So let us see why the processor is named as Pentium after the 486 microprocessor. To watch more videos, please share and subscribe to my channel OpenBox Education. As we know that the Intel most popular microprocessor is a Pentium processor. So this is developed in 1993. It is a fifth generation processor, and this processor is named as 80586 microprocessor. As already we know that the Intel released processor, that is 80486 microprocessor. After that they released this fifth generation processor named as 80586. So that is in convention they followed this name, that is we have 8086 microprocessor, and after that one we have 80186, 286, 386, 486, and the fifth generation processor as a 80586 microprocessor. But there is a problem. So for this Intel Corporation, the other competitors are there like AMD and a few others. So that is why this Intel wanted to trademark this processor title, that is instead of 80586 microprocessor they have to name another to trademark this processor. So however, the lawsuit that followed and declared that the number cannot be trademarked, that is the number 80586 cannot be trademarked. So and hence Intel had to find a new name for its processor, and that is how the word Pentium came into being. This Pentium is also called as P5. The name Pentium was derived from the Greek word penti. So the meaning of penti is 5. So after this Latin word they added the term IUM. So why IUM they added? Vinod Dham, an engineer from Pune who worked in Intel Corporation, is frequently hailed as the father of Pentium. From his name they are taken the term IUM. So from the Greek word penti they are taken PENT, and from Vinod Dham, who is came from Pune, they are taken the term IUM, and they added these two terms named as Pentium processor. So from the Vinod Dham name they are taken I and M, and he came from Pune, that is why they are taken U, and they added these three letters named as IUM. So Pent plus IUM named it as a Pentium processor. So he is the father of the Pentium. He is Mr. Vinod Dham. Now we will see the features of Pentium processor. This Pentium processor is a 32-bit microprocessor. That is, it has a 32-bit address bus and 64-bit data bus. The Pentium processor has a super scalar architecture. That is, it has two pipelined integer units, and the clock per instruction which is less than 1, and it has a pipelined floating point unit will be there. So for this Pentium processor there are a separate code and data caches will be there. It has a 8K code cache and 8K write back data is there. And the last feature is the advanced design feature. There is, for this Intel processor there is a branch prediction unit is there. So thank you very much for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe to my channel OpenBox Education.